Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the encoder from H.264 to H.265 on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. Encoding is a process of writing the file, the recording file, and just before we start, H.264, the older format, has higher compatibility. So once you switch it to H.265, before you start using the camera, try doing a short recording, then see if it works on your device. Like if you plug it into your computer, for example, see if it all works correctly, so you just don't end up with recordings that you can't play. Of course, don't worry, you can get certain programs like VLC, which supports the H.265 format, but it's better to check it always. So let's do it. Let's go to the magic wand here, then scroll down until you find encoding. And now the H.264 has higher file size and H.265 has lower file size but the same image quality. That's why it's the newer, better standard. But it's not available in modes like this: 4K 60 or 50 FPS, 1080p 120 FPS, or 720p 240 FPS. So other modes in the lower FPS should be available. Also, it's not available when there's 4K any FPS and gyro mode at the same time. Gyro mode is here, and if gyro stabilizer is on, I have it currently set to 4K 30 in my case, then the encoding will be grayed out and will always record in H.264. I'm gonna turn it off and make sure the encoding is H.265, and now it's worth doing a test recording and seeing if it plays on your computer. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.